You ever walk out of the grocery store with just two bags and your receipt says $120? You're standing there in the parking lot, staring at the slip of paper like, what in the world did I even buy? It feels like every trip to the store takes a bigger chunk out of your wallet. They always tell us to clip coupons or buy in bulk to save money, right? But somehow, even with all that effort, the bill keeps climbing higher and higher. It feels like nothing really works. Here's the truth. Grocery stores are designed to make you spend more. From flashy packaging to sneaky aisle layouts, they know exactly how to get you to grab extra stuff. We're being played without even realizing it. The scary part is, if you keep shopping the same way, you could be wasting thousands of dollars a year. That's money you'll never see again, just slipping through your fingers. It's like throwing cash straight into the trash. Think about what that money could be doing for your family. That's mortgage payments, college savings, or even that vacation you've been dreaming about. Imagine trading stress for memories and experiences. If we don't take control now, inflation will eat up more of your budget. You'll work harder but feel like you're getting less. It's time to stop playing their game and start winning at the grocery store. What if I told you you could cut your grocery bill in half without starving your family, without living off ramen noodles, and without spending hours couponing? Hi, I'm Betty, and welcome to the Budget Betty channel. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the ways we're making life easier and cheaper for real families like yours. Quick note, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes and sharing what's worked for me and other moms. In today's video, I'm breaking this down step by step, the exact changes you can make today to slash your grocery bill in half. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll see how to keep more money in your pocket starting this week. This is how you can cut your grocery bill in half fast. Let's dive right in. Let's be real, shopping without a plan is like heading into battle without armor. The grocery store is designed to make you pick up way more than you need. We've all been there, wandering aisles and coming home with random snacks and nothing for dinner. But here's the secret. Planning saves you serious money. Families who plan meals ahead save 25 to 30% on groceries without cutting out their favorite foods. That's real cash staying in your pocket, not in the store's register. Imagine this. You walk into the store, grab exactly what you need, and you're back in the car in 20 minutes. No stress, no impulse buys, no overspending. Just a smooth, easy shopping trip that feels like a win. Without a plan, it's chaos. You end up with random dinners, spoiled veggies in the fridge, and way too many snack packs. That's money in the trash, and nobody has time or money to waste like that. Think of meal planning like packing your kid's lunchbox. You wouldn't just toss in random stuff and hope for the best. A little time spent planning makes life easier and your wallet happier. This is your first step to slashing your grocery bill in half. Start with a simple plan, and watch how fast your shopping trips become easier and your budget stretches further. Planning is your superpower. All right, Mama, let's talk about your grocery list. Most of us treat it like a quick note, but it's so much more than that. This little piece of paper is your first line of defense against overspending. A good grocery list is like a GPS for your shopping trip. It tells you exactly where you're going, what you're grabbing, and it keeps you focused. No wandering down aisles and picking up random snacks you don't need. Here's the truth. Shoppers who stick to a written list spend 10 to 15% less. That's real money, Mama, over a year. That's hundreds of dollars staying in your pocket. Without a list, the store controls you. You're walking through, throwing random things into your cart, and before you know it, you've overspent by $20, $30, even $50. Think of your grocery list like a seatbelt. It keeps you safe, keeps your budget in check, and keeps temptation from crashing your wallet. So grab that pen, Mama, and write your list before you step foot in the store. It's not just a list, it's your ticket to saving hundreds and shopping stress-free. Let's be real, grocery stores are designed to make us spend more. They use bright signs, flashy sales, and clever layouts to trick us into thinking we're getting deals. But once you know the real prices, you'll never fall for it again. Here's the secret. If you just memorize the prices of your top 10 items, you can spot fake sales instantly. No more guessing if a deal is good or not, you'll know right away and save your family money every trip. Stores count on us not paying attention. They'll mark something as buy one get one, but raise the price so you're not really saving. Once you know the regular prices, you'll see right through their tricks. Think of it like gas prices. When you know the normal price, you know exactly where to fill up. It's the same with groceries. Knowledge is power, and power means savings. Most moms don't realize how often they overpay because they assume stores are fair. The truth is, stores play on habits. They count on us grabbing things without thinking. But now, you're smarter than their tricks. When you know your prices, you shop with confidence. No more stress, no more second guessing. You'll walk out knowing you got the best deal every time. Girl, you know the longer you're in that store, the more those shelves start whispering your name. Every extra 10 minutes, that's another $10 gone. Let's flip the script and start shopping like a total ninja. Stores are designed to keep you wandering, but that's how your budget disappears. A focused plan means you breeze in and out like a pro. No more slow strolls, just a quick, confident mission. Think of your store like a maze full of traps, those bakery smells, those candy shelves right by the checkout. They're designed to slow you down and make you spend. But you're on a mission. Make your list your secret weapon. Stick to it like a treasure map and you'll save time, energy, and money. It's your ultimate guide through the chaos. Every extra 10 minutes you stay in that store is another $10 flying out of your wallet. Move with purpose, grab what you need, and get out like a champ. When you shop like a ninja, you save money and energy and you get back to your life faster. Less time in the store means more time for what really matters. Sometimes, saving money doesn't mean buying the cheapest thing on the shelf. We've all grabbed the bargain brand only to realize it tastes awful or doesn't last. True savings come from buying things that actually bring value to your family's meals. Think about it. Paying just a few extra cents per ounce on something your family eats all the time adds up fast. That cheap snack can easily cost you over $100 a year if you're not careful. It's those tiny choices that sneak money right out of your wallet. Instead, spend on ingredients that work hard for your family like rice, beans, chicken, and frozen veggies. These stretch into multiple meals, making your dollar go further. You'll save money and still feed your family well. Sales can be sneaky. Just because something is marked down doesn't mean it belongs in your cart. If it's not part of your plan, it's not a deal, it's extra spending. Your grocery cart is like real estate. You only have so much space, so fill it with things that matter. Would you waste your home's square footage on junk? Treat your cart the same way. When you shop smart, not just cheap, you buy peace of mind. You're feeding your family quality meals while keeping your budget in check. That's the kind of savings that truly matters. You know what's really eating up your budget? Perfectly good food going in the trash. Most families throw away nearly a third of their groceries every week, and that's like tossing out cash. Leftovers aren't boring, they're a secret weapon. Think of them as ingredients for tomorrow's meal, not sad scraps. Turning today's dinner into tomorrow's lunch is how smart moms save big. Here's the truth. Americans toss out about $1,600 worth of food every year. That's like buying a car and only driving it once. Why spend money on food you never eat? Want to stretch meals like a pro? Start with one base ingredient like a roasted chicken. From that one chicken, you can make soup, tacos, salads, and sandwiches all week long. This isn't just about saving money, it's about saving time and energy too. Cooking once and eating twice means fewer dishes, less stress, and a happier you. So next time you think about tossing food, remember that's your hard-earned cash. With just a little planning, your meals can stretch further. Your wallet will thank you, and your family will never go hungry. Grocery stores are like treasure mazes, but they're designed to drain your wallet if you're not paying attention. Every aisle, every shelf is set up to make you grab things you don't need. But once you see their tricks, you'll feel like you're playing the game smarter than they are. Have you noticed how the expensive stuff is always right at eye level? That's because stores know that's where you look first. The cheaper, just as good brands are usually hiding down low or way up high like hidden treasure you have to hunt for. That candy by the checkout? Oh, it's not just for the kids. It's there to get you too because they know you're tired, your guard's down, and you're ready to grab one more thing. But now that you see it for what it is, you can smile and roll right past it. Even the smell of the bakery section is designed to make you hungry. It's like they're baking cookies just to make you buy more. Knowing that gives you the power to walk through without filling your cart with stuff you didn't plan for. Stores also play with how they place the sale signs. A big red tag doesn't always mean it's actually cheaper. Once you get in the habit of checking prices instead of trusting the sign, you'll save way more money. Once you know all these sneaky tricks, you start feeling like the store isn't in control anymore. You are. Shopping becomes less stressful, and you get to keep more of your money where it belongs, with your family. That's a win every mom deserves. So let's review plan before you shop. Make your list work, know your prices, shop like a ninja, buy smart, stretch your meals, and avoid the traps. Cutting your grocery bill in half doesn't mean cutting your family's happiness. It means being smarter, more intentional, and more empowered. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Budget Betty, and share this with another mom who's tired of overspending at the grocery store. Tell me in the comments, what's the one grocery item you feel like drains your budget the most? Let's help each other out. This is Betty with Budget Betty Real Tips, real moms, real savings. Until next time, keep saving, keep smiling, and keep taking care of your beautiful family.